Hey yo, what's up guys? This is Beautiful Chicken Rose representing TLBC, and now in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you some common moves that footworks that every b-boys and b-girls using on their set. So let's get started. So first, before you do a footwork or whatever, so make sure you already have a warm-up on your wrist, your full body, so then you can start your training. Okay? So first one is kick out, but both leg together, your footwork position. So you have to go out, so I go to the right side first and then come back again. So kick and come. Again, change your hand and same kick the left side. Okay? Kick and come. So this is a kick out and come back to your position. So again, so while you are doing this move, you can change your hand with your own style when you swipe. Okay? So I use my head style. So come, come, come. So kick, come, okay? Again, so kick, come. So this is the first move, and another move is the same style, but we're using a jump. Okay? So this time we're using a jump, but without kick. Okay? So it's like when you jump, okay, first is the right side, we are jump. So when we jump, we touch our leg by your right hand. So if you go to the right hand, you touch your leg by your right hand, and if you go to the left side, you touch your leg by the left hand. So this is the jump. So next, I'm going to combine these two moves in one place. Okay? So first is a kick out and come back to your position. Okay? Kick out, kick out. After finish your kick out, you can use jump, jump. Okay? So we are doing a little bit faster. So okay? So this is guys for this tutorial, and hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Hope you learned some moves from me or some ideas. So today I taught you two things. One thing is move, another thing is combine. So if you like my video, please thumbs up. If you want more video, then please subscribe my channel. If you have some question, or if you want to ask me something about the b-boys, knowledge, whatever, please comment below. Okay? And please share my video so it can be good for me. Okay? So see you next week guys. Peace. Be with Chicken Rose.